Google Sheets is more powerful than most people realize. And in 2025, there are some game-changing tips and tricks that can make your work faster and smarter. First, let's talk about smart formulas. Instead of manually updating data, you can use dynamic formulas like array formula to automatically apply calculations across entire columns, or XLOOKUP to find exactly what you need without messy nested functions. Next, take advantage of conditional formatting to make your spreadsheets visually intuitive. You can highlight trends, flag errors, or even color code your budget or project tracker in just a few clicks. Another tip is to link your Google Sheets with other apps using Google Workspace integrations. For example, connect your sheet to Google Forms to automatically collect responses, or sync it with Google Calendar to track deadlines effortlessly. Don't forget about data validation and drop-down menus, which reduce mistakes and make your spreadsheets more user-friendly, especially when collaborating with a team. And if you work with large datasets, learn to use filter views and pivot tables. These tools let you analyze and summarize information without altering the original data. Finally, a little-known trick is keyboard shortcuts. They save time and keep your workflow smooth. Things like pressing Ctrl+Shift+V to paste values only, or Alt+Shift+F to quickly find and replace data. By mastering these tips, Google Sheets becomes not just a spreadsheet tool, but a powerful productivity hub for 2025. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy tech hacks that save you time and boost productivity.